Hello planning masters and welcome back to the channel and to yet another plan with me video. Today we'll be setting up July in my bullet journal and well, I hope you like the theme I chose. And if you're new here, my name is Masha and I'm creating videos on bullet journaling, doodling, creativity. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Okay, let's get planning. First, of course, this applies my beautiful A5 Archer and Olive journal in its amazing cover, a notepad, which I'm going to be using for testing colors, some pens, pencils, fine liners, and I'm not sure yet what exact pens I'll be using for coloring, so I kind of put everything out there. Of course, all the supplies will be linked in the description. So, as you probably guessed from the name of this video, my theme for July is Boba. I feel like for a long time I didn't feel that inspired and I wasn't like 100% happy with my themes, but June really like knocked the socks off for me because I was just so happy with the way that setup came out and I just had a lot of fun doodling makeup. So I wanted to do something awesome for July as well, and considering how much I love Boba, I decided to make Boba my theme for July. Here's a little trick here. I feel like I really like my doodles, but I'm not that happy with the colors I chose. It's just kind of too, I don't know, maybe too bright for me. Just not really my jam. So actually off camera I did another Boba setup and I'll leave the link in the description to the blog post where you can see pictures from this setup you're watching right now and the final setup I ended up creating. And I know it sounds kind of wasteful to create the same theme setup twice, especially because you'll see it's kind of pretty similar. But what May taught me is that if I don't like my theme, I end up not using my journal that much and my journal just doesn't bring me that joy. It's very important for me to use my journal and to find joy in doing so. So I felt like just a few extra hours of creativity is totally worth it. And also I did finally receive my rainbow notepad from Archer and Olive. I will be posting my unboxing soon. I got like a huge package with so many cool things. So I kind of wanted to include some color paper to this setup because my original idea was to make it very bright and colorful, and I feel like it's really on theme with the rainbow notepad. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I've actually been very sick for the last like 2.5 weeks. That's why you barely see me on Instagram or pretty much anywhere else, because I do spend most of my time just sleeping and trying to get better. So I won't be talking that much during this video because, well, I'm losing my voice pretty fast and I feel like I just don't sound that well. But I will appear from time to time to comment on some of the things. while we have the time, I thought I would take it to thank all my patrons, amazing people who support me every month. And I'm just always so happy to create stuff for you, to hear your feedback. So thank you guys for your support. And of course, everyone who supports me on coffee. Every cup of coffee counts and just matters so much. So thanks everyone for your support. And hey, if you feel like joining our Patreon family, or maybe, I don't know, getting me a cup of coffee, all the links will be in the description. In case you didn't have time to create your own setup but still want to keep on planning, just wanted to notice here that I do create printable bullet journal setups for each month. And this month for July, our theme is kind of like mermaid patterns. And I'm just really happy with it. So if you wanna get your July setup, I will leave the link in the description. You can buy it from my shop or you can join our Patreon. And then together with our July setup, you can also get a set. Well, you get tons of other rewards as well. But you can also get a set of stickers, which is also mermaid themed stickers. That can definitely help you to bring your mermaid printable setup into a completely new level. And this month I went and did something a little bit different. Usually I create only decorative stickers, but this time I created much more functional stickers with like days of the week and different headers and stuff. So I don't know, I'm just very proud of them. So I thought I would mention them here. So for my habit tracker this month, I did the same thing as I did in June, and I decided to track the same 4 habits. Honestly, I can't say that June was my like super productive month, again because I've been so sick. But just having 4 habits in my tracker really helped me. So even though I haven't been doing the things like every day, I still did them much more often than I did in the previous months. So it's really something that worked for me. Okay, so creating a mood tracker for boba theme where you have to draw 31 cups of boba is really time consuming. It was fun. I like the final look, but yeah, that took a hell lot of time. So I actually created a free printable boba mood tracker for 31 days in case you want to have one as well, but don't really want to spend all that time and effort on drawing 31 bobas. The link will be in the description. The mood tracker is available in that blog post that I've been mentioning, where I'm sharing this setup, the other boba setup I created, and also inspirations from other creators who did a boba theme. Be sure to check my other take on boba theme in the blog post linked in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!